Hello everyone, welcome to Dasri Sir classes. Today we are going to learn about the main mountain ranges and the important peaks in those mountain ranges. Okay, look at this. This is a map of India, and this is not according to the scale. The main mountain ranges in India are Himalayan mountain ranges. Okay, the first and the longest mountain ranges in India is Himalayan mountain ranges. This is north, this is east, this is south, and this is west. So from north to east, these mountain ranges are in arc shape. Okay, these mountain ranges are in arc shape. So these mountain ranges are from north to east. So in this way, and look at this. And these mountains are up to here and somewhere here also. Okay, so this is the Karakoram range, and this is Ladakh range, and this is known as Jaskar range. Okay, this is Karakoram, this is Ladakh range, and this is Jaskar range, and this Himalayan mountain range is known as the greater Himalayas are Himadri, and the middle one is known as Himachal range, and the lower one is known as Shivalik range. Okay, let us write their names. Karakoram, this is known as Karakoram range, and this is known as Ladakh range, and this is known as Jaskar range. Okay, and this range is known as the greater Himalayas or Himadri, and the middle one is known as Himachal, and the outer one is known as Shivalik range. Okay, now the next mountain range is this one. Okay, this mountain range is known as Aravalli mountain range. What is its name? Its name is Aravalli mountain range. I am writing its name here. Aravalli mountain range. Next, Western Ghats. These are from Gujarat to Kerala. Gujarat to Kerala. These are Gujarat to Kerala. Look at, these are in continuation form. ये कहीं पर भी आपको गैप वगैरह नहीं दिख रहा है. These are in continuation form. So the name of this mountain range is Western Ghats. Okay, and the other name is these Western Ghats are also known as Sahyadri range. Western Ghats are also known as Sahyadri range. Next, next mountain range are parallel to the east coast. Okay, and these are not in continuation form. East, these are Eastern Ghats. Okay, and now in central India, this is the central part of our India. In central India, two parallel mountain ranges are there. First one is known as Vindhya mountain range, and the second one is, which is parallel to this Vindhya range, that is known as Satpura. Okay, now let us look at once again the mountain ranges in India. This is the Karakoram range, and this is the Ladakh range, and this is Jaskar range, and these Himalayan mountain ranges are divided into three parts. The upper one is Himadri, and the middle one is the Himachal range, and the outer one is Shivalik range. And next, this is the Aravalli mountain range, which is mainly in what I can say, Rajasthan. It starts from Gujarat, and in central India, two mountain ranges are there which are parallel to each other. The upper one is Vindhya mountain range. Let us write its name. Vindhya mountain range, and its name is Satpura mountain range. This is Vindhya and this is Satpura. And the mountain range which is parallel to the west coast is known as Western Ghats, and its other name is Sahyadri range. The Western Ghats is also known as Sahyadri range. And towards the east, there are Eastern Ghats which are not in continuation form. These are Eastern Ghats. Okay, now look at the peaks. Now the peaks which are present in these mountain ranges. Let's start from the Karakoram range. In this Karakoram range, we find a peak here. Its name is K2. Its name is K2, but it is also known as Godwin Austen. Okay. Its name is Godwin Austen. It is also known as K2, and it is in Jammu and Kashmir, and this peak is in Karakoram range. Okay, and one more peak is there in Karakoram range, that is Saltoro Kangri. Okay, and the height of K2 or Godwin Austen is 8,611 meters, and the height of Saltoro Kangri is 7742 meters. Okay, we find a peak in Uttarakhand, and its name is Nanda Devi. Nanda Devi peak is present in Uttarakhand, and its height is 7817 meters height. Okay, and one more peak is present in Sikkim. Its name is Kanchenjunga. Its height is 8,598 meters, and this is Himachal Pradesh, and in Himachal Pradesh there is a peak. Its name is Rio Purgil. Rio Purgil. And a peak which is present in Himachal Pradesh, its name is Rio Purgil, and its height is 6816 meters. Okay. Now next, in Arunachal Pradesh, Kangto peak is there. Its name is Kangto. Okay, and its height is 7090 meters. Okay, 7090 meters. And look at this. This is Nagaland. In Nagaland, Saramati peak is there. What is its name? Saramati, and its height is 3841 meters. Okay, 3841 meters. And in West Bengal, we find a peak. Its name is Sandakphu. Sandakphu. Its height is 3636 meters. This is in West Bengal. Okay. And look at here. This place is known as Meghalaya. Its name is Meghalaya. In Meghalaya, we find three hills: Garo, Khasi, and Jaintia. Okay, Garo, Khasi, and Jaintia. And next, this is known as the state Manipur. In this state, we have Khayang peak in this state. Khayang peak is there in Manipur, and its height is 3114 meters. Its height is 3114. Okay. Now, next, coming to the Western Ghats. In Western Ghats and in Kerala state, its name is Anai Mudi. The highest peak in Western Ghats is Anai Mudi. The highest peak in Western Ghats is Anai Mudi. Aromakonda. Let's write A capital. Aromakonda. Or it is also known as Sitamma Konda. Sitamma Konda. And its height is 1690 meters. Okay. Questions will be given like this. The highest peak in Western Ghats, that is Anaimudi. The highest peak in Eastern Ghats, that is Aromakonda or Sitamakonda, and its height is 1690 meters. And the height of Anaimudi is 2695 meters. Okay. The highest peak in Western Ghats or the highest peak in Sahyadri range, that is Anaimudi, and its height is 2695 meters, and it is in Kerala. And the highest peak in Ghat, that is Aramukonda or Sitamukonda, its height is 1690 meter and it is in Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Now the highest peak in what I can say Aravali range. The highest peak in Aravali range, that is Guru Shikhar. Its name is Guru Shikhar. The highest peak in Aravali range is Guru Shikhar and its height is 1722 meters. 1722 meters. And we find a peak in Tamil Nadu also. Its name is Dodda Betta. Now one more peak is there in Satpura range. Its name is Dhubghar. Dhubghar. So once again let us revise. We have studied about the mountain ranges. The mountain ranges which present in Jammu and Kashmir are, this is Karakoram and this is Ladakh range and this is Jaskar range, and the mountain peaks which are present in Jammu Kashmir are K2, it is also known as Godwin Austen and its height is 8611 meter, and Saltaro Kangri, its height is 7742 meters, and one more peak is there in Himachal Pradesh, that is Rio Purgil, its height is 6816 meter, and one peak is there in what I can say Uttarakhand. Its name is Nanda Devi, its height is 7817 meters, and look at this, this is Sikkim, and in Sikkim we find Kanchenjunga, its height is 8598 meters. The highest peak which is in the highest peak in India is K2 Godwin Austen and its height is 8611 meters, 8611 meters. Okay. And the second highest peak in India is Kanchenjunga. This K2 peak is in POK, that means Pak occupied Kashmir. So now it is not in our this place is not in our ruling in so according to this, the Kanchenjunga is the greatest highest peak in India. Next, Kangto peak is there in Arunachal Pradesh and its height is 7090 meters, and in Nagaland Saramati peak is there. The height of Saramati peak is 3841 meters, and in Manipur Khayang peak is there, its height is 3114 meters, and in West Bengal Sandakphu peak is there and its height is 3636 meters. And coming to Vindhya and Satpura range, and Dhubghar is the highest peak in Satpura range, and in Eastern Ghats, the highest peak in Eastern Ghats is Aramukonda or Sitamukonda, its height is 1690 meters. Okay, in this way we have covered the mountain ranges and the important peaks which are present in these mountain ranges. Okay, if you like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to my channel Dasari Sir Classes. Let's meet in next video.